All right, guys. Here is my first video on my new scale amps. This is my SAS-600 amp. Um, Still kind of prototype status, but pretty close to production. Still waiting on a couple things. Just wanted to show you guys some of the features of the amplifier. So this one is a 2-channel amplifier, but with a built-in low-pass filter that's adjustable. This one is 15 watts per channel. Designing to be as scale as possible. One thing that will be coming with them are small eye connectors, which I don't have yet. But you can kind of see here how I've designed the connectors as scale as possible here. I'm going to take one of these off. I'm just going to do one, save time here. But so, yep, I have these connection lugs here. So I've just got the wire wrapped around the bolt for now. Like I said, eventually we'll have those, and they'll thread in, and that is the right channel positive lug. Just snug it down. Also done it for the power leads here. Like I said, I will have eye connectors that'll make these a little easier to do. And this blue filament didn't print very good. There's actually supposed to be spacers in between to help keep them from touching each other. This blue filament was very brittle though, and it snapped those off really quick. So I'll probably be doing something different than the blue filament. I also don't have the LED lights yet. That'll be lighting this clear strip up, but I will get that here shortly also. So like I said, still prototyping, still working on it. Just wanted to share my progress with you guys and kind of see it function. So I'm going to fire it up here real quick. These are not subwoofer speakers. So as I turn down this low pass filter, these will get a bit quieter because they're not rated for the hertz range that we're turning down to. If they were true subs, they'd hit a little harder. So you'll hear more bass, less highs. But if I keep going with it, they will eventually not be able to produce the low frequency sounds that we're turning down to with the filter. So I'll turn it on real quick and show you guys. And that's if I had it connected first. All right, battery. So just a 3-cell LiPo. There we go, we're connected. All right, now I will show you. So this is just the highs and everything. Turn the filter down. So just the bass now. Now if I go too far, I'll start to lose it there because it can't produce those sounds. See, now we got more just bass, less highs. And we can all it back up. More sounds. And back down to just bass. And then back up. Alright guys, so yeah, that's kind of what we got there. Yeah, so you have the ability to adjust your filter for this channel. On my 900 series, there'll be another set of 4 lugs here. It'll be a 4-channel amp. Just these 2 channels will be adjustable. These will be full range. On my 300, which I'll be putting together here really soon, will be only a 2-channel amp also. You can see there's the spacers there I was talking about. This will just be a lower channel amp. This will be a 5 watt per channel, just for like those 1-inch speakers. And these are my 1.5s I use in all my 1.5 standard systems. I am also considering doing a basically an upgrade port. So for those of you, like if you got the 900, for example, grab a 900, it's just the body. So if you get the 900, you'll have 4 channels, but let's say you want 6. There'll be a port on the side here that you can buy a expansion amp from me. This is something I'm thinking about doing. Let me know if it's something you guys would be interested in. But basically what you would have would be a port here you'd plug into. This would then break out into another 2-channel amp, or possibly 4 if you really needed 8. Um, that would get its audio signal from this port, and give you an extra 2 channels or 4 channels, full range. So that's something you guys would be interested in. That's something I can do. Still kind of gauging interest on this right now. See, I've done these in the past. They didn't take off very well, but we also didn't have the same scene that we do right now with a lot of scale lowrider guys, guys doing scale systems. So these seem to be a little bit more popular than they used to be, and kind of digging them up out of the tropes. So let me know what you guys think. I will keep you guys updated as status continues. Just waiting on a couple more things. I want to get these LED lights, and also get the eye connectors so that I can package those with these amplifiers when I sell them and make them easier to connect. So hope you guys like it, and thank you.